concept of a Satanic New World Order has been a topic of discussion among conspiracy theorists for decades. This idea suggests that a powerful, secretive group of individuals is working to establish a one-world government that would control every aspect of our lives. One of the alleged methods this group is using to achieve their goal is through the use of vaccines. According to some theorists, vaccines are not just meant to prevent diseases, but are also being used to control and manipulate the population. Proponents of this theory argue that vaccines contain hidden ingredients and additives that can alter our behavior, thus, and even our DNA. They claim that these additives can be used to make people more submissive, obedient, and easier to control. Some even believe that vaccines are being used to implant microchips or nanotechnology into our bodies, which can track our every move and thought. These claims, however, have been thoroughly debunked by scientists and medical experts who point out that vaccines are rigorously tested and regulated to ensure their safety and efficacy. Despite the lack of evidence, the idea that vaccines are being used to control us has persisted. Some point to the fact that many vaccines are developed and manufactured by large pharmaceutical companies, which they claim have a vested interest in pushing their products on the population. They argue that these companies are working with governments and other powerful entities to create a system of mandatory vaccination, which would give them unprecedented control over our bodies and lives. Another argument made by proponents of this theory is that vaccines are being used to reduce population growth and control demographics. They claim that certain vaccines, such as those for HPV and tetanus, contain ingredients that can cause infertility or sterilization. Again, these claims have been disproven by scientific studies, which have shown that vaccines are safe and effective in preventing diseases. It's also worth noting that the idea of a Satanic New World Order is often linked to anti-Semitic and anti-government conspiracy theories. Some proponents of this theory believe that a group of powerful Jewish individuals, often referred to as the Illuminati, are working to create a one-world government that would control and enslave the population. This theory is not only baseless but also deeply offensive, as it perpetuates harmful stereotypes and prejudices. In reality, vaccines have been proven to be one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of diseases and protect public health. The development and distribution of vaccines have saved countless lives and improved the quality of life for millions of people around the world. The science behind vaccines is well established, and the vast majority of medical experts agree that they are safe and effective. In conclusion, the idea that vaccines are being used to control us as part of a Satanic New World Order is a baseless conspiracy theory with no scientific evidence to support it. While it's understandable to have concerns about the safety and efficacy of vaccines, these concerns should be addressed to reputable scientific sources and expert opinions, rather than unfounded speculation and misinformation. By promoting vaccine awareness and education, we can work together to prevent the spread of diseases and protect public health, rather than perpetuating harmful conspiracy theories. Ultimately, it's essential to approach this topic with a critical and nuanced perspective, recognizing the complexity of the issues involved and the need for credible evidence to support any claims. By doing so, we can work to build trust in the scientific community and promote a culture of informed decision-making, rather than succumbing to fear-mongering and misinformation. The truth about vaccines is clear. They're a powerful tool for protecting public health, and they should be embraced and supported, not feared and misunderstood.